Are your Adobe Systems apps crashing due to the Adobe PDF User Interface DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare to resolve Adobe PDF User Interface, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Adobe PDF User Interface, the specialized UI library for the Adobe PDF conversion engine. It manages the localized dialogs, progress bars, and settings windows for the Print to Adobe PDF feature. If missing, applications like Word or Acrobat will crash when attempting to open the PDF printer settings, citing a resource module load failure. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Adobe Systems to replace Adobe PDF User Interface. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Adobe PDF User Interface file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Adobe PDF User Interface DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Adobe PDF User Interface. If you've regained access to Adobe PDF User Interface thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.